If you're wondering how you can find and open the secure folder on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. Now, if you have created your secure folder, just swipe up and open the app drawer, and in the app drawer, you will find your secure folder. But if you cannot find the secure folder in the app drawer, then go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Security and Privacy. And over here, just scroll down and look for the option of More Security Settings. Then tap on it. Now just tap on Secure Folder. Now if Secure Folder is not created on your Samsung tablet, it will show the Continue button over here. Now just tap on Continue to create your secure folder. Now just wait from a few seconds to a few minutes and it will create the secure folder on your tablet. Now from here, just select a lock type for your secure folder. For example, I will select the PIN. Now just create a PIN which must consist of at least 4 digits. Now after you create your PIN, then tap on Continue. Select Use Anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. And select OK. Select Turn On. And tap on Next. Now as you can see, we have successfully created the secure folder on our tablet. Now to find it, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. And this time, as you can see, this is the secure folder in our app drawer. Now sometimes your secure folder might ask you to enter a PIN or a password. Now in this case, just enter the PIN or the password which we have created while we are creating the secure folder. As you can see, as I enter the PIN, then tap on Done. And as you can see, we have successfully opened the secure folder on our tablet. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.